Massachusetts Bay Colony, 1628 to 1691. English Puritan settlement where New England's rivers run. Massachusetts Bay Company, part profit and part profit. Self-ruled by a royal charter, merged with Plymouth when they lost it. Salem, 1628, that's where Endicott planted it. 1629, royal charter, Charles I had handed it. Self-rule crossed the ocean, general court they managed it. Freemen in the meeting house, the godly men commanded it. 1630, the Arbella and the Great Migration. Winthrop preached the city on a hill, the proclamation. 20,000 crossed the sea to see their own salvation. Boston crowned the capital. 632, the town's foundation. Massachusetts Bay Colony, church and state entwined. They called it theocracy. Fled from persecution, then they banished as hypocrisy. Charter in their fist, self-ruled autonomy. City on a hill, living out of prophecy. Town meeting seeds would sprout into democracy. Only male church members voted, narrow was the code. Roger Williams preached his conscience, they showed him the road. Bought Narragansett land and there he planted Little Road. And Hutchinson, 1638, the same episode. Harvard, 1636, a college for the word. Peacoat War, King Philip's War, and both sides burned. 1684, the charter fell, the general court adjourned. 1691, merged with Plymouth, province confirmed. The steeples turned to skylines, but town hall stayed. Practice of self-government in Massachusetts Bay. Every raised hand in the meeting house, a seed conveyed, the hill still preaching to the city that the sermon made.